Hello everyone, and let's continue with the views. So in the previous video we finished with the like creating this new view and modifying this one. So let's just add this new view to the URLs. So let's go here, just put a broadcast, right? Okay. Let's copy this one, paste it here. Oops. Okay, so broadcast, then broadcast, and then here broadcast. Okay, let's save that. It's not crashing. Okay, so let's go to the templates, and here let's create a new file. Then let's name this file broadcast.html. Remember that we don't have the. So let me just copy um, 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 okay, so let me copy. Okay, static content. Okay. Here, let's put a 4. Select one of your courses to start a conversation. And here, let's put 5 users from your courses. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. I just set them to send a broadcast message. All right. Okay, so here let's have a select. Let's name this select. Remember how we're going to name this select? First select, right? Just like that. Very important. So here, oops. Option, let's put the empty value and then just put choose your cursor. Okay. And then let's put disable and select, right? So here, let's put for course in courses, remember. So here we're going to put the option first title and then value. Remember that in the views we're getting the ID here. Remember, so here we're going to put the first.id. Let me check. Okay. course.id. Okay, perfect. So here, let's put in 4. Okay. Let's put a label. Put select from. Let me put here. Select your option. Select from course. Right. Okay, we got the. Let me put this. If we put this inside a div. Input field. S12. Okay, so we got that. Let's put here. Let's put a VR here. So what's missing? Let's open. Realize. Let's get the test. Remember, forms. Let's input. Check. Nope. Yeah, test area. Okay. Okay, so this one ID, let's put message. Message name message, right? Label for message, let's put here message to the class, right? Oops. Here, let's just put a button. Where's the button? Just copy this one. Let's submit. Okay, just pretty much like that. A select and an input. So here, if we go to direct broadcast, kind of like that. Let me see. Yeah, so I have a curse here. Remember, like this one. So this is my curse, and then this is the message. Do I have? Yeah, I have like 0 students there. So let's log with Walter White. Okay. What the crap? Okay. Hello, class. So here in the views, we need to check we need to do the. Let's go to here. We need to make sure that the person sending the message is actually the teacher, right? So let's go here. Um, okay, so let's put that here. Let's put it here. So if user is different, oops, let's move that here. And then let's put the else here. Oops. Let's put the else here. Let's move this up. Okay. Okay, we got here the cursed. We check if the user it's actual the teacher, right? We don't have that. We need to import it. So let's go. HTTP here. Okay. Else move this here, this here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So basically, after we get the curse, we check that the user it's actual like the teacher sending the broadcast. We don't. Let's reload this. Okay, so hello class. Sorry, it will probably crash. Okay, it sent a message to all these users that are in the class. I think so. Oops, sorry. Let's go to inbox. Oops. So where's the inbox? I'm confused. Direct. That's the inbox. Okay. Okay, this is the inbox. So in the inbox, let's go to the inbox template here. So let's just leave it like that. Active conversations, la 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 la, empty. So here let's put let me see. Let me add another button here. This one will be send a broadcast message. Here, let's put broadcast, and then here, let's put sensors. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so here, user search. Here, this is the broadcast, and then here, that's the start, which is the people we can message. So search let's change the search. Let's put search user in your right, and then here let's put people we can message. Let's put compose a message, right? Let's reload here. Let's put let's check. Yeah, we need to fix the. Let's go to the views here in the search. Let's check the search. Okay, so in the search we need to make some changes. I forgot. Here we need to make it for just the users in our course, and we're going to do that in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.